Alam mo yung mindset ng mga VA beginners? Baka kailangan ko lang ng breakthrough, yung big client, yung perfect opportunity, yung one message na finally magwo-work, yung one application na magbabago ng lahat. So everyday naghihintay sila ng moment. Pero here's the truth na madalas hindi napapansin. You don't need a breakthrough. You need repetition. Let that sink in. Kasi most people are chasing one big win. Pero ang real success, nanggagaling sa paulit-ulit na small actions. Eto, real talk. Hindi ka hina-hire dahil sa isang perfect application. Hindi ka successful dahil sa isang good message. Hindi ka nagkaka-client dahil sa isang lucky moment. It's the accumulation. Kasi one application won't change your situation. 5 messages won't build momentum. One good day won't create a career. Pero repetition does. Daily applications, daily outreach, daily improvements, daily showing up, even when walang response. Ayun yung nagbi-build ng results over time. Kasi yung breakthrough na hinahanap mo, usually hindi siya sudden moment. It's just the point where your repetition finally compounds. So instead of asking bakit wala pa akong breakthrough, ask yourself, am I even repeating the right actions enough times? Nire-repeat mo ba siya ng enough times? Kasi in VA journey, success doesn't come from one big moment. It comes from small actions repeated until they finally work.